If your iPhone works but doesn't feel as smooth or comfortable as it should, there are a few settings that can quietly improve how you use it every day. These aren't hidden tricks, they're simple changes that actually make a difference. Let's get started. First is reduce motion. Turning this on removes some of the movement and animations on your iPhone. It can make your phone feel calmer, faster, and easier to focus on, especially if motion feels distracting. Next, adjust haptic touch speed. You can make menus respond faster so you don't have to press and wait. On my iPhone, I set mine to fast, but you can also set this to default or slow. It's a small change, but it makes the phone feel more responsive. Live voicemail lets you see what someone is saying while they're leaving a message. You can decide whether to answer or not. I find this feature really useful. It's great if you don't like unexpected calls. As a side note, calls from unsaved numbers will be asked for more information before your iPhone rings. You can also silence calls from unsaved numbers, but bear in mind that the call will be automatically sent to voicemail. Instead of constant notifications, you can group them into a summary. This reduces interruptions and makes your phone feel less demanding. It's great if you're busy at work or don't want to be interrupted during a certain time. Finally, use search instead of hunting for apps. You can open apps, find settings, or even search emails from one place. It's one of the easiest ways to feel more in control of your iPhone. These changes won't make your iPhone more complicated. They make it calmer and easier to live with. If this helped, subscribe to Think Tech Novice for simple Apple tips that actually improve everyday use. Until then, see you on the next one.